Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today we'll be making the world's best cookies, also known as Ranger cookies. This recipe has so many delicious ingredients in it, you won't regret that you made it. The recipe is known since 1979 as the world's best cookies, and it is provided to us by San Francisco a la carte cookbook. Let's get started. The ingredients are 1 stick of butter, a half a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of vegetable oil, a half a teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon salt, a little less than 2 cups of flour, a quarter cup of shredded coconut, a quarter cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of corn flakes, and a half a cup of rolled oats. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream together the butter and the 2 types of sugar. Stir in egg, oil, and vanilla. Add salt, baking soda, and flour until well blended. Stir in the rest of the ingredients one by one. I use an ice cream scooper with water to prevent sticking the dough into the scoop. Scoop with an ice cream scooper for the cookies to be uniform in size. Place the cookie balls on ungreased cookie sheet to flatten with fingers. Bake for 30 minutes or until golden in color. Cool on a cookie sheet for a few minutes before moving to the serving platter. I guarantee your family will also consider these cookies as the world's best cookies. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.